Want to avoid being scammed on Poshmark? Then you're going to love today's video. By the end of this video, you're going to know all the red flags to avoid because I'm going to show you exactly what happened to me and what caused me to be scammed out of money. Plus, I will share tips if you have already been scammed. As a newbie seller on Poshmark or a site similar, I want you to learn from my mistakes and to be safe out there. So stay until the end of this video. In case you don't know who I am, my name is Shanice, and I am an organizing expert and content creator for my blog, City of Creative Dreams, and founder of Inspired by Organizing, a custom e-design organizing space. I'm going to be honest, I can't believe I'm talking about this again. It is one thing to write about it, but to be on video talking about it is a whole different thing. This is definitely a sore spot still because of the audacity of those scammers. Anywho, yes, I am still sour about the whole situation. However, when I shared my story about my Poshmark scam on my blog, I didn't know it would blow up on my site the way that it did. After all, I really didn't want to talk about how I got scammed out of money. It's embarrassing and so upsetting that it happened in the first place, but I also didn't want anyone to go through what I did. As an organizing expert, I love advising my clients and readers to donate or sell items they no longer use or need. However, online can be a hard place to sell your items when you don't know what you're doing. It can be so easy, too easy, to fall for a trap like a Poshmark scam, especially when it is getting harder to see the difference. So here's my story. Now, I have always been the one to donate rather than sell anything. Of course, that's just me. Everyone's circumstances are different and some things need to be sold. But I didn't choose that for myself until 1 year. I bought 2 items that I didn't realize weren't my size until it was too late to return. So I thought I would try to sell it on Poshmark. Now, I am new as a seller. I posted the item and I ended up falling into a scam where a fake person posed to be interested in buying my item. Ultimately, it ended with money being taken out of my bank account. Therefore, I thought today would be a good day to walk you through what not to do if you're a newbie seller on Poshmark. Now, I'm not hating on Poshmark. I got some good deals from them, especially during my wedding. I just so happened to get scammed through their site. And even though I'm talking about a Poshmark scam, these tips will apply to other sites or users trying to trap you as well. How to spot fake customers. When you are new to a site like Poshmark, you have no idea what happens after you make a sale, which makes you an easy target. Some fake customers pretend to not be able to see the photos you posted. So they will ask you to send a photo to them through their email. The excuse can be as simple as they can't see it properly on the site because of their internet or more. And they give you their email right in the comment section. Red flag. People don't usually put their email in the comments for everyone to see. Emails is considered personal information and it is unlikely a real person will put it there. A private chat or a message section is more secure. Sending photos to customers. To help the customers out, you may think that it's a good idea to resend them the photos through your email. You may think that you just want to help the person out and give great customer service. Red flag. The site is pretty easy to see the photos, therefore you really don't need to send anything further. The fake customer, aka scammer, is going to use the photos and now has your email to lure you into the next step. You'll receive a Poshmark email saying that you have an item sold. These emails are extremely important to pay attention to because they look very legit. I suggest always looking at the information through your email website instead of the app on your phone, because it's clear to see the entire email that way and easier to see the red flags and signs you may have missed. Here is the Poshmark email that I received through my phone. Through the email version on the phone, you can see your email or the email you sent to the scammers and not the sender's email very clearly. This makes it easier to not be able to see the potential scam. Now, here is the same email through the desktop version on my computer. Red flag. The email address is not correct. Ensure that it is the company email. You can double check past emails they sent you before as a reference. Confirmation button. Once you've clicked the button, it will bring you to a page where it has the item that you're selling and a chat box. They want you to use the chat box to communicate with them. It may feel like the right thing to do, but they are simply taking your money and not giving it. Red flag. Never put your card information in through an email link. The company site has this information and would not need you to do it again. Chatbox feature. If you chat with them, you will get instructions expressing that because it's your first time selling, they will need to charge you $500 to your bank to ensure your identity. They also mention that you can use another card or someone else's card if your bank card doesn't work or your credit card doesn't work. In this case, they are trying to get you and someone else's card. Don't do that. Red flag. Poshmark doesn't currently have a chatbox feature, nor would a customer service person tell you to use a family or friend's credit card. A charge from a company also wouldn't be such a large amount, at most between $1 to $8. Confirmation code. We all have gotten a confirmation code through our phones. However, scammers can do this as well. They will tell you to send them a confirmation code that will be sent to your phone. Red flag. Double check who this confirmation code is coming from. The confirmation code is usually from your bank to ensure it is you. Don't give them that code. Typically, whenever you receive a confirmation code from the company, it wouldn't say it's coming from your bank. Last step in the scam. They want you to come back to tell them you've received the amount. They are trying to either repeat what they have already done, or the link that they sent you won't work within 24 hours they messaged you. Red flag. You'll never need to return to that same link in order to reach customer service. If that were the case, you would be going through the official website, not the link in your email. Now, what do you do if you got scammed? If you made it this far, you'll most likely fall in for the Poshmark scam. To really know if you have, you need to check your bank account. Likely money would have been taken out of your account. Next, check the Poshmark site. You will notice that your listing is still live and not showing that it's been purchased. Don't worry, here's what you can do. Report these unauthorized purchases to your bank. Your bank will report it to the fraud department. Your bank will cancel the card used and will send you a new one. Report to the site what happened. If possible, take a screenshot of your listing, the profile of the customer, and the email they used to scam you. Wait for your new cards to arrive and update all the sites that you have your old card attached to. It's a lot. Poshmark can be a great platform for buying and selling, but you should also be aware that there are also scammers out there too. I hope you watch this before falling into the Poshmark scam and learn the signs of a potential scam so that you stay safe when selling items. Honestly, I don't want anyone to go through what I did, so let me know in the comments if this is useful to you. Also, if you're serious about organizing your home, don't forget to grab my free resources filled with a free checklist to help you guide you on your organizing journey. You can grab it at the link below this video. If you know someone who will love this, share this. Also, did this video help you? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.
Hey, before you go, thanks for watching, and get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there!